How to remove an image background using Leonardo AI. First, open your web browser and go to leonardo.ai. Then sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, click Image from the left sidebar. Next, click the Image Upload icon inside the prompt box and select the photo you want to edit from your computer. After your image is uploaded, type prompt for removal. If the background remover is available, simply click Remove Background. Leonardo AI will automatically detect the main subject and erase the background in just a few seconds. Once the process is complete, preview the result. If needed, use Edit in Canva for better result. Finally, click Download and choose PNG if you want to keep the background transparent. That's it. You've successfully removed an image background using Leonardo AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, photo editing tips, and easy tech guides.